So we're gonna be mounting a trailer toolbox on the trailer. Alright, so right now I'm getting the metal together and trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. So I think I'm gonna weld the angle iron onto the tongue, cut the tubing, and then that's gonna weld right onto the frame of the trailer. And then I'm just gonna weld that all up. So I'm just figuring out where I need to cut this angle iron, and then I'm gonna cut another piece for the other side, and then I'll figure out how long I need to make that tube to weld it to the frame of the trailer. And we were talking about doing a winch. I got a 5,000 pound winch, but I feel like that's kind of redundant when we can just pick a generator up and swing it over into the trailer. So let me know in the comments what you think. I'm not really sure. I think we're gonna wait on that and maybe revisit that in the future. But let me know in the comments what you think, if you have any better ideas. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cutting on these. I'll probably throw it on a time lapse, and we'll see where we go from there. So this thing's kind of, you know, it's kind of kicking down a little bit, so I'm gonna get the level on it, and I already broke that one off with a boot, and come on, hit. you. So that's doable where I have everything right now. That hides most of the imperfections. She ain't perfect, guys, but she'll get the job done. Alright, now it's time to just burn her in. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna burn her in. And I'm gonna time lapse with this because that generator's annoying, so I apologize for that. Alright, so we got the front cage on. She's strong. Yeah, she's holding up. She ain't gonna hold any more than my weight. So now it's time to clean it up, spray paint it, and then we'll bolt the toolbox on. So I'm gonna spare you the cleanup process. I'm gonna grind these flat, cut off the edges. I don't know, maybe I'll cap them. I don't know. Probably not. I'm not gonna do that. You won't see them. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll get her put together. So it's time to paint. It's a little windy today, so we're just gonna right over that sticker. That was never there. Well, maybe I should give these tires. Oh yeah. Can we get the inside? Looks factory. Factory. These sunglasses, I just can't see. Oh, she's got some runs. Ultimate rust protection. Oh, maybe we went a little too hard. It's all right. Let's get the bottom. Oh. Looks like the runs will get the bottoms. Oh, Jesus. My eye. My leg! All right, she's got the runs. She's got a bad case of the runs. And just, she's a 10-footer. Don't look at her. But that's it. We'll let that dry, then we'll bolt our toolbox on.
2 hours later.
Oh God, that's sharp metal. Fingers gone. This thing came with 2 tabs. One for the top. so I may have been in a time lapse before doing this, whatever. So I've already got one side on, and now I'm doing the other. Alright, so she's on. One toolbox mounted. Alright, well, that concludes the little toolbox portion of this. It ain't perfect, but it looks good from the top. You know, the gap looks good, the toolbox opens. Let me open it up, I locked it. Toolbox opens, boom. That's pretty tight there. That's as close. I'd like to get it closer, but I'd have to cut that rail off or something. Not doing that. So I'm not exactly happy with how this came out. This sticks out a little far, but you know what? You won't even notice it unless you bust your leg on it. So, but that's all done. I'm just gonna get cleaned up here, put the welder away, and then we're going to look at a possibly new car. Yay.